Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create an AP Journal Voucher in the Fresa Global application. First, log into the Fresa Global application. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be able to view the homepage. Now, navigate to AP All Transactions. Click on it to open the AP All Transactions list page. Next, click on Submit to view the previous AP transactions. Then, open the transaction type list of values. Select AP Journal, and click on Create. You will now be redirected to the AP Journal Voucher screen. Here, fill in all the required details such as creditor name, currency amount, and GL account. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click on Save and Close. After saving, you will be redirected to the AP Journal Voucher View page. Now, click on Change Status, and then select Approve and Post to complete the process. That's it. This is how you can create an AP Journal Voucher in the Fresa Global application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.